Hello everyone, myself Varun Bhardwaj, and today I am here to represent my task2.2c, which is the explanation of the task 2.1. Before understanding the task 2.1, you should have a certain knowledge about the Morse code. The term Morse code refers to either of two systems for representing letter, alphabet, numerals, and punctuation marked by an arrangement of dot, dashes, and space. The codes are transmitted as electrical pulses of varied lengths or analogous mechanical or visual signal such as flashing lights. Basically, this Morse code is used by the agencies so that they can transfer their data secretively manner. Now, the requirement for completing this task. To complete this task, you should all have Arduino Nano 33 IoT board, breadboard and jumper wires, push button component, built-in LED on the Arduino board, computer with Arduino ID software, USB cable for connecting Arduino to the computer. Now, what our objective in task 2.1 is to have the Arduino Nano 33 IoT's built-in LED flash out in a Morse code. This project mixing coding and electronic to provide a fun and dynamic learning experience. Now, let's understand the component of codes. In this variable and pin declaration, we declare the variables for LED controls, character index, button pin, and more. Basically, we have declared our LED built-in function in the pin number 13. In our setup function, here we configure the LED button, and button pins, set up and interpret on the button pin and initialize the serial communication. Now, in our start function, this is our interrupt handler. It starts the blinking process when the button is pressed. Blink dot and blink dash function. Basically, these functions control the LED blinking for dots and dash in Morse code. Now, blink characters function determine the blinking pattern for each character by calling blink dot and blink dash function. Now there is a blink name function, loop through the name characters and blink the LED according to the Morse code pattern. Basically, our loop functions check if blinking process is active and start blinking the name. Now, what is a steps for setting the environment? Basically, you should have a Arduino Nano and the breadboard. Connect the push button. Basically, we use push button so that our LED start blinking through the Morse process. Now connect the push button and LED on the specified pins that is described in the code. Start the code and check the wiring so that you get the specified result. Here I have I have provided some of pics of my setup. It is basically a simple setup. Now, how can you access the code and video? Basically, I have uploaded all the code on the GitHub. There is a video on the YouTube in which I have showed all my working on the working of code. Now I have also submitted file on the on track for task 2.1 or for which all the links of the code is accessed there. So thank you.